Hey guys, Too Cool for School here, and I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, which is already past Christmas, but still Merry Christmas. And what I got for Christmas, I'm going to be doing a review on the super crazy loom. Yeah, so this is what the front looks like, and this is what the back looks like. And it's super cool, so I'm just going to do this and get open. Okay. The first bag I got out was white loom bands. And I'm just going to lay this down now. Have a look and see what's inside. Next, there is red loom bands. And we got clear loom bands. You haven't even said that you're here yet, have you? Say hi. Hi. Oh, it's my sister. There's also the other person on Too Cool for School. I've got yellow loom bands, orange loom bands. Got these little button things to put on them. Green loom bands, pink loom bands, blue loom bands, and purple loom bands. And we got some clips, S-clips. And we got some like ribbon. And we got this bonus loom thing. It's so cool. And I got this long yellow loom band hook. And there's one more thing in here. It's the blue double hook one. And now let's get the cardboard out. And here's the leaflet, and it tells you how to do all these letters, how to do it. So it's just the instruction book. All the stuff's over here. And here's the loom. Just the last thing in here. It's the loom. Now this loom is huge. It's so cool. I definitely recommend this. And it's like 2 looms built together. So I'm going to do an iPod case thing, or a phone case. And yeah, so see you in my next review. Bye!